Okay, so once I'm in my discussion post and I'm typing, I want to click on this capital sigma. It'll say equation, graphical equation, and this little keypad will come up, and to do a power, this superscript right here, subscript, but superscript's how I use the raise something to a power. So if I want to type in x squared, I click that x, I move over and hit square. And then I use my cursor, I'm just clicking on my arrows right now to move around, plus 6x minus 4. And then all your other math tool stuff are in here. X is greater than or equal to 4. Square root, fractions, there's your fraction button, and I just want to type in 3/4, 3, down arrow, 4. Like I said, I use my arrows to move around. Okay, I hope that helps.